This is الدرس السابع والعشرون of كتاب أدوات الربط, and here we are looking at drill 3 تمرين 3 of lesson 27 of كتاب أدوات الربط, and we are still working on the connector لا بد, it must be, it is necessary, etc. So here you're going to complete the sentences. They're giving you لا بد, and you're going to complete the meaning of the sentence. So I'm going to give you some translation of the Arabic to help you complete the sentence with your own words. So in number 1 we have لا بد من blank حتى يحصل على شهادته. It is necessary blank until he obtains his degree. Number 2, لا بد من blank حتى أجد لها حلا مناسبا. It is necessary blank, or it must be blank until I find for her a suitable solution. Number 3, ثلاثة لا بد من الحصول blank قبل أن تعمل في الحكومة. It is necessary to obtain a blank before she works in the government. 4 لا بد لها blank كي تكتسب خبرة في الحياة. It is necessary for her blank so that she can acquire experience in life. 5 لا بد أنهم blank لم يقابلوه. It is necessary for them blank they didn't meet him. 6 لا بد من أن blank حتى أحصل على المال. It is necessary to blank in order to obtain money. 7 لا بد للقاضي من blank حتى يثبت براءته. براءتها. It is necessary for the judge blank in order to establish her أو يثبت براءتها, to establish her innocence. 8 كان لابد للرئيس من blank كي يؤيدوه في قراره. It is necessary for the president to blank in order for them to support him in his decision. 9 كان لابد أن blank حتى أتعلم لغتهم. It is necessary to blank so that I can learn their language. 10 لا بد من blank حتى يعرف الحقيقة. It is necessary to blank in order to know the reality or the truth. 11 كان لابد لهم من blank كي يواصلوا رحلتهم. It is necessary for them to blank in order for them to continue their journey. 12 لا بد لي من blank حتى أصل في الموعد المحدد. It is necessary for me to blank so that I can arrive at the stated appointed time, at the appointed time. So hopefully that will help you to fill in these blanks with multiple words from yourself in order to complete each sentence. مع السلامة.